In this video, we're going to cover testing code with assert statements. So one of the most important things in programming is the ability to test your code so that it runs properly, so that it executes correctly. And to do this, we have to test it. And one of these testing methods is with this assert statement in Python. Now, formal testing of code is an advanced topic that we will cover later on in the course. I wanted to present this one little tool, this assert statement now, so that you can begin testing and ensuring that your code is running correctly. You will see this assert statement in the project, which is why I wanted to bring it up now. So the way the assert statement works is that you just write the word assert, and then you have some statement over here on the right hand side that will return a Boolean, either true or false. So let me show you something. Let's see if we want, let's say we want to assert that 4 is equal to 2 plus 2. And before we run that, I want to just put this outside of the assert statement. So here's a conditional. We've learned about this and seen lots of these before. This evaluates as true. So if we put an assert before it and we run this, nothing will happen if the statement over here evaluates as true. Now, if it doesn't, if it evaluates as false, then you will get an error. Let's just say we assert that 5 is equal to 2 plus 2. And maybe it's better to look at it in the other direction. Does 2 plus 2, is it equal to 5? Well, that's false. You're going to get this error, this assertion error. So you'll know that there's something wrong with this code. So it did not evaluate as true. So with functions, it's common to use an assert statement to test different inputs for functions. So let's say we create just a simple function over here. We'll say add 2. It'll take two variables, two parameters, and we will return x plus y. So add 2, 10 comma 5 is 15, and then we can write an assert statement that says we want to check that this value is 15, like this. So if it does equals 15, that means that the function is correct. Now let's say we did something wrong in this function and we subtracted x and y like this. So if we try to test it, we know that the inputs are 10 and 5, then the output should be 15. And if we test this, we get an assertion error. So there's something wrong over here. So something wrong in our function is not producing the correct result. We expect it to be 15, but it wasn't. We don't know. We don't see it over here. We can actually print it out like this. But so that's what the assert statement does. It just verifies that the thing on the right-hand side is true. If it is false, it will make this error. Okay, so you'll see this in the upcoming project, which is why I wanted to bring it up. We will start using assert statements until we learn about formal testing. So it is just a quick and good way to begin testing your code.